Chief Minister Nongthong Birane inaugurates Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre, Hapta Kangjaipur. Chief Minister Nongthong Birane flags off Sangai Run appeals people to participate in the major events of the state despite various issues in the state. Union Minister of State Prahlad Singh Patel says boycott of Sangai Festival is a shame in front of tourists, appeals people to promote peace and tourism by participating in the festival. Director Investment of MP Tourism Board A.K. Rajoria stresses the need for private investors in developing the state's tourism sector. And inner MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan says the real threat to the state are the outsiders from Myanmar's trans-border who have close affinity to us. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithama Monica with the latest news updates. Chief Minister Nongthong Birane inaugurated Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 at the main venue Hapta Kangjaipur today. Speaking at the inaugural event held at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre, Birane expressed contentment over the increasing number of tourists in the state, reaching 222% this year.
For pressing us with your kind presence and making
be the ultimate area for the entire northeast will become a unit where and also the international tourists have grown, and I expect everyone will also enjoy the fresh food. I extend a warm welcome to
Forest and Environment Minister Thongnauzam Shyamkumar inaugurated the 10th Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 at Atoyaima School Ground in Kaibul Lamjau, Vishnupur District today. Tourism Department, Government of Manipur organized the event. Speaking at the event, Minister T.H. Shyamkumar expressed happiness over the blooming tourism sector leading to increase of tourist arrivals in the state. He said that Sangai, the brow-antlered deer found only in the state, has attracted many tourists in the state. He lauded the residents of Kaibul Lamjau for taking measures to protect the endangered species. Minister Shyamkumar also disclosed that various efforts are made to shift the venue of the festival to some other convenient area from next year, as the current venue is much nearer to the natural habitat of Sangai and may create disturbances, including noise problem to the species. Maintaining that a project worth around 38 crore rupees under Swadesh Darshan scheme of Ministry of Tourism has been made to construct a new ethnic park, he assured of a new taste of Sangai festival starting next year. Performances by various cultural troupe enthralled the public. Morang MLA P. Sarachandra, Thanga MLA T. Robindro, Kumbi MLA S. Bira, Mayang Imphal MLA cum Deputy Speaker T. Robindro and top officials of Forest and Tourism Department took part in the event.
Fumdi the labor, but the labor, Summa Sangazi, Yen Bolangari. Simagna point Lamdamasiki top topa, Lamdamasiki history labor, Lamdamasi Puari labor, Lamdamasiki labor Pazasina, Lamlaki Sangasim, Atamati Sina, UA Tami have done city, Maliam the Pausian Piri. Masiki the Makta, South Talk say, Lamdamasiki, Alaman like Rusingi, Nungshiba, Amadi, Makoinangasi, what isn't to Pidam Dana, Sangai Simasi, your Pidam Dona, Amadi, top to the Lamsi, Sakada, Mayam Goina. मालेम की लमकोइबा सिंगे अमदी पृथ्वी की थक्ताब सिंग पृथ्वी मफम अमा कन्न थंबिरम के दमता लमदम सिंगे अहल लमन सिंग लमदम सिंग प्रजा सिंग लमदम सिंग लाइगु मासु हानिगा द थागले
Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen flagged off Sangai Run, the half-marathon event held as a part of Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 today. YES Minister Letpao Haukeb and many eminent persons attended the event organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Manipur, at Kumanla Park Sports Complex. Speaking at the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen urged people to take part in the acclaimed events of the state despite various issues in the state. Responding to media query regarding the Indo-Naga peace talks, Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen said that he has met with the representatives of Kokomi last night. He asserted that Union Home Minister Amit Shah's invitation to meet leaders of civil society organizations has been given to the representatives of Kokomi. Mentioning the recent bombing attacks on security personnel in the Imphal city, Nongthombam Bireen said that he has already notified the DG to take up stringent measures. He assured to nab those involved in the misconducts at the earliest. Altogether, 535 men and women from across the state participated in the Sangai Run event. In men's category of Sangai Run, Mohammad Sadiq of LSA Lilong bagged the first position and received a cash award of 10,000 rupees and a certificate, while Mohammad Abdul Razak of SAA Sora secured the second position and received a cash award of 7,000 rupees and a certificate. NCH Wingao Lu of NSU Manipur bagged third position and received a cash award of 5,000 rupees and a certificate. In women's category, T. Russia, Anjana Komantem and Sayyida Anita bagged the top three positions and got cash awards of 10,000, 7,000 and 5,000 rupees along with certificates respectively. 4th to 10th position holders of the event were given cash award of 1,000 rupees and a certificate each.
Indigenous population की मायोक्ता मांग ना बहुत नरक पर मदद तुम्हें नहीं लगी ना मैं तुझे आपके सही वालों ने मांगा नुमितारा में मांगा हाइब्रिड दिख रहा है कोई शुमाइल ना सुन पोरन में ना कोई फंड मंगा मौजूद है मतलब तुरंत नुदान को देखेगा प्रेस तम नौर था कर ले फॉरेन तक की माने ये वो इजिप्ट तक की नुपाम करना हाइब्रिड तब नहीं है बा इजिप्ट तक की नुपा जब ना संगाई फेस्टिवल से याव ना बहुत नरक था नहीं चलने को ना रिपोर्ट से जो पूरा का लाना बहुत नरक अदुना ने कोई ना sometimes आई की था बा मत होती है तो मी की हार ये मुआ है.
Knowing the importance of the Manipur state, aduga CSO singi public ki leiriba grievances to khangbirakanda matam pibire aduna ngarang ekoi nungdang kokomi gi chilno mayam go so koi cabinet minister singu guna wari gotai sanare moida ekoi formal invitation so pi kare foreign country dagi mi yam lai ekoi Singapore dagi Laos dagi Egypt dagi adagi Indonesia dagi kari dagi mayam ama laga akhoi masi Manipur state ki pride tam oira.
Union Minister of State Prahlad Singh Patel appealed to people of Manipur to take part in the renowned Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 to promote peace and tourism in the state instead of boycotting this festival, as it is embarrassing in front of the people coming from other states of the country and foreign countries. The Union Minister arrived in the state to launch the International Tourism Mart 2019, which commenced yesterday. Speaking to media at Hotel Imphal today, Prahlad Singh Patel said that Atal Bihari Vajpayee took a keen interest in the Northeast states during his reign as the Prime Minister. He asserted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also initiated several efforts for the welfare of the Northeast states, including to promote railway facility in the state latest by 2020. He assured to make efforts to boost and enhance tourism in the state, considering the plea made by Rajdoot from various parts of Southeast Asia, urging to make Manipur the best destination of gateway of India. The Union Minister also said that it is the pride moment of the state that tourists visiting to take part the International Tourism Mart has increased by 47% this year as compared to International Tourism Mart 2016.
कि सभी को यहाँ पर शांति के बारे में विचार करना चाहिए। जैसे संगाई फेस्टिवल है, वो तो आपकी आइडेंटिटी है, आपके मतभेद भी हों तब भी ऐसे कार्यक्रमों को कभी नहीं रोकना चाहिए। जहाँ देश के और दुनिया के लोग, वहाँ तो हमको वातावरण अनुकूल बनाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, तो आपका भला है। लोग नहीं आएंगे तो आपका कोई भला होने वाला नहीं है। और दूसरी बात मैं कहूँगा कि सरकार में गृह मंत्री ने साफ शब्दों में कहा है, आपका विश्वास ना करना मुझे आश्चर्य व्यक्त करता है। होम मिनिस्टर के बयान के बाद में कोई किसी भी प्रकार का अविश्वास हमारे मन में नहीं होना चाहिए, ये मैं कहूँगा। तो पिछले साल की तुलना में वो 3% ज़्यादा था, लेकिन फॉरेन टूरिस्ट जो था वो 47% उसने इंक्रीज किया है। और इस बात के लिए मणिपुर के लोग या नॉर्थ ईस्ट के जो लोग हैं, उन्हें जो सकारात्मकता, जो पॉजिटिवनेस उनके भीतर आई है, और जो उसका परिणाम है कि जो वातावरण आपने बनाया, ये उसका परिणाम है। और यही मणिपुर और नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया जैसा होगा साउथ ईस्ट एशिया का। ये बात मैं चुनाव के पहले भी बोलता था। मुझे लगता है इसके लिए सबसे जरूरी चीज़ है कि हम पीस को कायम करें। डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हो सकते हैं हमारे, लेकिन हम अगर शांति बनाकर रखेंगे तो एक बात मैं विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि आपके कल्चर को देखने के लिए पूरे देश के लोग, पूरी दुनिया के लोग लालायत हैं। ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो कभी दुनिया ने देखी नहीं, वो आपके पास में हैं। साउथ ईस्ट एशिया के आज जो राजदूत आए हैं यहाँ पर, उनके कारण भी अब हम सबको इस बात को स्वीकार करना चाहिए कि वो चाहते हैं कि जो बेस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है उनसे हमारा कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉपर हो, और सरकार इस बात के लिए गंभीर भी है और प्रतिबद्ध भी है।
Director Investment Promotion of Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board A.K. Rajoria said that Manipur has potential for growth in the tourism sector. He said the same during an exclusive meet with Impact News at the 8th International Tourism March for Northeast region held at City Convention in Imphal today. He asserted that the role of private investors is necessary above the government's fund in developing the state's tourism sector to its full potential. He stressed the need for the state government to form a policy to attract private investors in the state. He maintained that Madhya Pradesh has formed an investment policy for the private sectors 5 years ago to promote and enhance tourism of the state.
Now, not much people are interested in investment. But unless the private investors are there, you cannot develop the tourism hub. Government by its own fund cannot do much by investing much. So you have to invite the private investors. When private investors will come in the different locations and the beautiful areas of Manipur, then develop the site, they will attract the tourists also. So, but for those things, you have to create a policy framework and infrastructure to implement the policy. So in that case, Madhya Pradesh is very successful in last 5 years. And we have the best of the investment policies adopted by any state and it is giving good results.
A.K. Rajoria asserted that he chiefly visited the state to develop cordial relations between Madhya Pradesh and the northeast states, mainly Manipur and Nagaland. He espoused the need to establish a tourism office at Bhopal to promote the tourism of Manipur and Nagaland to Madhya Pradesh and other states, and to make available any information of the two states to the people. He also expressed his desire to set up a place in Imphal to promote the tourism of Madhya Pradesh in the state.
There is a scheme, Government of India, our Prime Minister has started called Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. So under that we have chosen the Nagaland and Manipur because people from Madhya Pradesh will never look for Nagaland and Manipur. So we want our people to know about these areas so that they can come here. So to make a good connect with the Northeast, we have chosen the Manipur and the Nagaland as a partner. But what I am thinking is, I'll explore the possibility then can we open a desk for Manipur and Nagaland in our tourism department office in Bhopal, and we promote that and we publicize that any person in Madhya Pradesh who wants to go to the northeast and especially in Manipur and Nagaland, they can come here, they can get the information.
Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren accorded warm welcome and presented gifts to the ambassadors and high commissioners from other countries who arrived to participate in Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 during an event held at Chief Minister's Secretariat this morning. Nongthong Bambiren appreciated the guests for coming, and the ambassadors and high commissioners also thanked him. It may be mentioned that ambassadors and high commissioners from Brunei Darussalam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos DPR, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand and Vietnam came to participate in the Sangai Festival 2019. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit appealed to people not to follow ill plans of some specific groups during controversies. He was speaking on the sidelines of inaugurating a whole of Kongman Fencing Academy at Kongman Zone 4 in Imphal East today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Biswajit expressed firm belief that the academy will produce various efficient fencing players in the future. Maintaining that the academy was constructed from MLA Local Area Development Fund, he asserted that the fund belongs to the people and not to the local MLA. Minister Biswajit further assured to take up appropriate initiatives for better road conditions, water supply and sports facility in Thongju in the upcoming days. Imphal Deputy Commissioner Rangitabali Waikom and many eminent persons attended the event.
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯟꯊꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯜꯂ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯒꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯨꯡ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯈꯟꯊꯁꯦꯕ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯛꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯗ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯣꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯟꯅꯁꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯈꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯛꯍꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯡꯉꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯊꯤꯡ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯁꯣꯛꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯏꯜꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯄꯗꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯣꯕ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯏꯁꯨꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯌꯣꯕ.
Leaders of Kokomi affirmed that there is no withdrawal of the boycott on Manipur Sangai Festival 2019, which commenced today. Speaking to media regarding the viral notice of lifting boycott of Sangai Festival, leaders of Kokomi clarified that the viral notice is not an official one. Meanwhile, a team comprising of 19 Kokomi representatives will leave for Delhi tomorrow to meet with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee T. Mangi Babu appealed not to disintegrate Manipur by the culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talks. He also reiterated that the demand of Congress is not to implement Citizenship Amendment Bill in the state as our state lacks inner line permit system. Asserting that the demand by Congress is for the welfare of the state, T. Mangi Babu expressed pity over BJP for trying to culminate issues in the state. He further claimed that a special assembly session by the government on December 20 is already a scheduled one. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Congress Bhavan BT Road today, MPCC Vice President T. Mangi Babu said that the Congress will always strive for the welfare of the people. He recalled the leaders of Congress legislature and MPCC president even went to Delhi to apprise the central leaders not to affect the unity and interest of the state by CAB or the Naga peace talks. T. Mangi Babu said that a memorandum apprising the same has been sent to the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister as they have declined to meet with the team. The Vice President said that the Indo-Naga peace talks was going on even during Congress reign, but there were no apprehension or casualties. He lambasted the statement made by BJP MP assuring to add a special clause to CAB to protect the interests of the state and to strive to give assent to Manipur People's Protection Bill. T. Mangi Babu said such acts will not be resolved by just a move at the House, as it will have completed at a table before producing in the House.
Center da hairu bazu kaya ita tabi dre Congress hoi mayam pun na ungta changhim milang tu cooperation phajna pibi dana masi mapung phana pangthok pangamna na khoi honasi haidana haiga do matam masida Congress na tori basibu mayam da lan una na ba haidana the mohna negative oiba mong da changcheli haiba se yamna nuksi ngai ni BJP gumba party na te government pairaga na ho lauba government paidragana chekmok laudaba matam kuina government pairudaba matam duda makhoigi yelhomi haitare anagi ariba on kanodagi haujarakpa jana sanggadagi kaidega haurakpa kambu singa duna adum office sanga ga toruga dum lakse ngasi di moi ju foreigner ni mayam changhelisi foreigner mayam changhilaga masida or pass hadna BJP gi toriba singa se masi asigumba nate Congress ti government paigi pairoi tu miyam gi seba da khoidi adum changjangani center da hairu bazu kaya
MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that the real threat to the state are the outsiders from Myanmar's trans border who have close affinity to us. He said the same at the distribution of water tanks under distribution of rainwater harvesting water conservation scheme at the residence of Cooperator of Ward number 18, Laimayum Inunganbi at Brahmapur Aribam Lekai in Imphal East District today. MP Ranjan asserted that those who have close affinity with us will not only snatch our political rights but also the environmental rights, stating that people have a misconception that the Biharis and Bengalis at Bazaar are illegal outsiders. He clarified that they are Indian citizens and they will never demand a homeland as they are here for business purposes only. MP Ranjan also assured to raise a stark question of amendment of land reforms in India to form an inland fishery policy for inhabitants of fishers of Loktak Lake and implement Common Property Protection Act in the ongoing winter session of the Parliament. 25 differently abled, widows and destitute people were distributed water tanks on the occasion.
Manipur ki awang kha awangda amadi kha nongchupta leiriba Manipur ki singsang singjau sing ase hujik yeng bio satellite remote sensing the forest coverage the yeng gotam maximum mai thado iba mai tanu li iba mayam se asigum mafam si do oi kadana tawi yelongoi dagi Manipur da leira aba adugumba jati amta natte mito Burma rom dagi Bangladesh rom dagi lakpa miyam singsina akhoi gi land resource Manipur gi leijariba limited land resource masi makoina insecure hen badana tana environment right asi sumoina mat level hogala iba tungi na harol khudingmak se drug smuggling toriba small arms smuggle toriba punama se masi karamba jati akhoi gi hana yellow meat na tobra natraga karamba mina toge se akhoi gi praja khudingmak na munna khangdokwa ma change.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Seram Mangi Singh Memorial Award being conferred upon editor of Impact News, Raj Nongthongbam. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. President of Seram Mangi Singh Foundation, S. Lalita, conferred upon Seram Mangi Singh Memorial Award to the editor of Impact News, Raj Nongthongbam, during an event held at the shrine of Ibudau Marjing in Hengang today. The award was presented as an acknowledgement for his exemplary roles in the field of journalism. It may be recalled that Seram Mangi cracked the Indian Information Service examination and served as an editor of All India Radio Imphal. He passed away due to an illness in 2012. He took immense roles in the People's and Students' Movement and also served as the first General Secretary of AMSU. Seram Mangi also wrote various poems and songbooks. Speaking on the occasion, General Secretary of the Foundation, S. Nekhel, said that the award is being presented to those commendable persons in various fields since 2013 as a reverence to S. Mangi. He asserted that the award is dedicated to the unsung elderly persons for their exceptional and distinguished service. Speaking on the occasion, editor of Impact News, Raj Nongthongbam, dedicated the award to the aspiring young journalist of the state. He assured to strive his best to be a part of the vast changing journalism aspect in the world.
Seram Mangi Singh Memorial Award na award amakak akoigi piba masina tongan ba filda any kanoda kuna art da culture da politics da sports da any film da journalism da sumaina khankat laga sahi amagi award ama piba masi award sigi pandandi akoina anouba young talent sing adagi atopa senior ahal loiragasu mayamna akoigi deserve di towaga phangzadaba dumba ahansu mayam lay sigumase akoina encourage toba amadi honor tobagi aim du da objective du da akoina khangalaga masi award si pirasi haidna akoigi award recommendation committee ma semaga mai toduna hogibani.
Residents of Thangmaiban, along with club members of Thangmaiban Improvement Club (TIC), carried out protest demonstration at the club against the recent bomb explosion by unknown miscreants at the club. Taking part in the protest, one protester, Tamila Moirang Thames, strongly condemned the incident. She demanded clarification of the incident and appealed not to repeat such irresponsible act again in future.
mayamna leibaki the makta amadi kuigi irei kai sigi aswengam yaudana bagi the makta thammiba club simakta da aikoina kanana no karina no khangdaba makai bom pokai han bahaba posi aduki mati ahallam namadi yumda leiriba nupi khuding maksu mimi pai ningai habadu mo oi madugi the makta na mari leinaba amadi hujik thokliba bom pokai ba sikanano habasimadi mayik sengna amutang di sengdo haningi aduna masi sengdoraktaba taragadi yumda leiriba ahallam nupi angang aikoi khuding akibagi tujungba habadu boy adugi the makta ngasi masigumba aikoigi leibak macha ta da thabak asi tawbi danabagi the makta aikoina ngasi dharna asi phamjabani mayamna
Residents of Churachandpur carried out a mass protest rally against disintegration of Manipur by the conclusion of the Indo-Naga peace talks at Churachandpur today. Around 500 individuals of 15 localities of Churachandpur took part in the rally, jointly organized by Churachandpur District Meitei Students Union, Kokomi and UCO Churachandpur. The rally commenced from Kumuzamba Lekai. Manipur police personnel intercepted the rally and made the protesters turn back. Protesters held various placards and chanted slogans during the rally.
People the parents am singnaba suspension mayam lay aduna koi Manipur territory boundary ka bhi yaroi territory nagagi boundary shembe yaroi Sikh schedule channa bhi yaroi pan naga channa bhi yaroi any makhalam ta Manipur integrity the so effect over kalbam ta tor ko yaroi yalo ngai di ko chahi lising ani hum laimina pa ching tam amata koi kunne ingin na badule koi na pamjali se
Indo-Naga peace talk ki varotion ma camp ta khangan bidana leiriba sigi mayok tani koi Manipur ki praja jingmi tambi khaidana koi punamak ki Manipur kai ba yaro ha basida koi chapyuna lepaga koi ngasi ki release chabani.
Members of Little Flower School Students Transporters Union LFS-STU carried out protest demonstration against disintegration of Manipur in front of Little Flower School Gate in Imphal West District today. Various placards were displayed during the protest. Members of Iram Damgi Inat Yokhatlub, along with Mera Paibis and club members, carried out protest demonstrations against Citizenship Amendment Bill at Singjamai Parking today. The protesters chanted various slogans against the bill. Members of Saloon Club at Sorok Atingbi Hilgad in Ziribam carried out alert protest meet under the initiative of Coordinating Committee Ziribam on Manipur Integrity, COCJMI, demanding protection of Manipur's territorial integrity and disclosure of the final outcome of the Naga peace talks at Ziribam today. Various placards were displayed during the protest meet. A 30-minute drama film named Imphal 1944 was screened at GM Hall today. The film tells the true story of a war veteran who comes to London for reconciliation between the British and the Japanese who fought in the Battle of Imphal in 1944. Former VC Professor Hizam Tombi, director of the film, Junichi Kazioka from Japan, and Japanese renowned singer Chizuru Onoyama, chief engineer PWD Nomaithim Norain, former director of Manipur Police Wireless Moirangthim Rachandra were among those who graced the event. Pre-production ceremony of Kaden Films' first Manipur feature film, Nangbu Ngairam Bane, was held at the auditorium of Rotary Club of Imphal, Mantripuke today. Rajen Laisangthem is the story screenwriter and director of the film, and Elendra Thodam is the producer. Artists Abenau, Nikki, Gepelina, Suraj, Ratan Lai, Lalitabi, and Idau are in the lead roles of the film. Chairman of Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Industries Private Limited, Dr. T.H. Dabale, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, S.H. Mangol Jao, and Social Welfare Director N.G. Uttam attended the ceremony. Proscribed United National Liberation Front UNLF held its 55th Foundation Day at various parts in and outside the state today. The Foundation Day was celebrated at the outfit's central headquarters, external affairs units, party district units, branch units, MPA general headquarters, MPA battalions, tactical headquarters and CSF units, hoisting of the outfit's flag, paying floral tributes and observing 2-minute silence to the departed souls were the main highlights of the event. Sky Foundation, Thoubal Moising Lamkhai donated blankets to the elderly, differently abled and destitute people of Moising, Khekman, Kiam, Leitan Pok and Thoubal district today. President of Sky Foundation, Mohammad Amir Hussain, and Secretary Mohammad Abdul Noor attended the event sponsored by social worker Abdul Razak. "109 Battalion CRPF under IGP Manipur and Nagaland sector, as part of its civic action program, distributed solar lanterns to the residents of Lai, Tadubi, Mau Karong, Khabung Karong, Kathiko Karong village in Senapati district today. Now the sports news. Manipur settler Maisna Mairaba Luang has bagged a bronze medal in Singapore Youth International Badminton Championship held at Heartbeat Indoor Stadium in Singapore since November 18. Mairaba lost to Taiwan's player Liao in the semi-final match of the under-19 men's single event of the championship. Liao defeated Mairaba by 2-1. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain inaugurates Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre, Apta Kangjebu. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain flags off Sangai Run, appeals people to participate in the major events of the state despite various issues in the state. Union Minister of State Prahlad Singh Patel says boycott of the Sangai Festival is a shame in front of tourists, appeals people to promote peace and tourism by participating in the festival. Director Investment of MP Tourism Board A.K. Rajoria stresses the need for private investors in developing the state's tourism sector. And inner MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan says the real threat of the state are the outsiders from Myanmar's trans border who have close affinity to us.